Hey coffee enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're unveiling a secret elixir that's brewing in our kitchen. Picture this, coffee, cocoa, and honey, all in one delicious mix. It's rumored to be a natural energy booster. Stick around because we're about to unlock the hidden secrets. First things first, let's take a look at our star ingredients. We're working with freshly ground coffee, high-grade cocoa powder, and pure honey. Each component brings a distinctive flavor and potential benefits to our elixir. Together, they may just create a powerful blend that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also gives you a natural boost. Let's get down to business. Begin with brewing a strong cup of your favorite coffee. As it comes to life, the room fills with its rich aroma. Next, introduce a tablespoon of premium cocoa powder, adding an indulgent touch of decadence. Finally, the piece de resistance, a generous drizzle of pure honey. Its natural sweetness rounds out the flavors and adds an intriguing twist. As you stir, watch as the ingredients unite into a magical elixir. It's a delightful combination of rich coffee, velvety cocoa, and the natural sweetness of honey. Before you rush to make this a daily ritual, a quick disclaimer. While our coffee, cocoa, and honey elixir has potential benefits, it's paramount to consult with a healthcare professional before making it a routine. This is especially crucial if you have pre-existing conditions or are on medication. So enjoy responsibly. There you have it, folks. The not-so-secret anymore recipe for a coffee, cocoa, and honey elixir that might just add a spark to your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Not just that, subscribe for more such enticing recipes and share the love with your coffee-loving friends. Let's spread the word about this magical elixir, a blend of coffee, cocoa, and honey that has the potential to add a spark to your day. And remember, the real magic is in sharing, so make an extra cup for someone special and enjoy the benefits together. Cheers!